Hey guys, so today I've got a 2011 Volvo XC70. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance overdue light after an oil change or after any service performed. No special tools are needed. We can just do everything from the dash right here. First thing, you need to make sure the trunk, all the doors, everything is closed. Next step, we're going to push the key inside and press the start button one time. After that, we're going to press and hold the start button and the trip button at the same time. After the light blinks for 3 times, let it go, and that's it. The light should be reset. You can confirm it by taking the key out, putting it back in, and starting it. If the light did not reset properly, it would have showed up by now on the right side display, but staying off, that means that the reset was successful. Alright, as I said, no special tools are needed. Same procedure works for a lot of XC and S models. I'm pretty sure from 2008 to 2012. So hopefully that helps. Please, thank you for watching this video. Support, like, and subscribe. Thank you.